Hello, today I will be making vintage French muffins with toppings from the 1920s. Now, the word muffin derived from mou pain, which is soft bread in French. And as you can see, cranberries are dried because refrigerators are not widespread yet. And baked goods are generally included only basic ingredients because condiments from immigrants have just begun spreading. The French also enjoyed sweet, buttery, dough-based foods, a sharp contrast to many Asian cultures that ate rice. This shows that wheat was much more common in France compared to other types of grain. Here we have 1½ cups of flour, half a cup of milk, third of a cup of salted butter, 1 large egg, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of chocolate chips, and half a cup of dried cranberries, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then gradually add the 1½ cups of flour. This time, use a spatula to fold the flour in instead of using a whisk. And then, don't forget to add your baking soda and baking powder. Once the mixture looks to be crumbly, like breadcrumbs, now it's time to add the egg into the milk. Use a whisk to lightly whisk the egg into the milk. Now, add the egg and milk mixture into the flour mixture. Continue to fold the batter until it is well mixed. Lightly brush the pan using warm butter. Then lightly dust the pan using small amounts of flour. Smear a bit of the flour along the sides of the pan and then dump the rest of the remaining flour into the organic bin. Then spoon your batter into the pans. It's not coming off. I need 2 hands for this, but 1 hand is holding the camera. Please do this with 2 hands and not 1 hand. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the muffins for 15 to 17 minutes. Now I'm taking out the muffins and putting them on a rack to cool down. 1, 2. Now, insert a toothpick into the center and see that it comes out clean. That means your muffins are done. If they do not come out clean, then you have to put them back into the oven and bake them for a few more minutes and repeat until they do come out clean. Let the muffins cool down for a while, and after they're done, we can use a knife to carefully go around the corner Careful not to scratch your pan too much. And take your muffin out. And done! These muffins are like a weird mix of donuts and muffins. I guess the French people just really liked both and decided to mix them together and put them in a muffin pan. These muffins should not be too hard to pop out if you dusted. Now our muffins are ready to eat. Let's put them on the table and try a few. Guys, come on, get your muffins.
Yay!
Okay.
Give.
Wash your hands.
Oh, I don't want to eat it anymore.
Okay, well, it's your loss.
But first, I'm gonna watch that video.
Tastes very good. It smells very good too. Way better than famine food. Nope, that was a nightmare. They're soft and chewy and pretty filling too. The chocolate has not cooled down yet, so it kind of melts in your mouth. And the cranberries give a pretty fruity taste to it too. They taste really good with milk too, so if you want to try it to make it at home, go ahead.